Every single day, bots, hackers are scanning the internet and looking for open servers. The servers which have low-grade security, which have compromisable passwords or passwords from a password list. This is nowadays a automated process, therefore it is running all the time and somewhere in backgrounds and stuff like that. The hacker just runs a script which goes around like a bot and does what it does. Of course, you can change your ports, but the ports are also scannable, discoverable, and you are not protected by that as well. If they discover your password, then basically they own your data. They own your server and they take the control of it, etc. Even the strongest secured servers like Zone.eu provides VPS that are strongly secured in cybersecurity. The weak password is a threat for everybody who is like admin for the server. If your passwords are weak or have a spyware on your server, on your device, then you're basically compromised and you're giving someone your data for free, even to control of your server. First, we need to log in into our VPS. I'm using Zone.eu instance, which is running Ubuntu, but this works on Debian and CentOS also. Once we are logged in, we need to become a root user. We need to install the authentication module. Execute this command. The command will be in my Medium blog post. The link to the Medium will be down in the description. Let's accept it, hit the enter, install it, the small package, so it installs quickly, as you can see, no issues. Now let's run the Google Authenticator. By executing the following command, you will see a giant QR code. Grab your phone, open Google Authenticator app and scan it. Once scanned, you will see the 6-digit code on your phone. Bear in mind that for each user we need to generate the key separately. Change the size of the screen so that I can get it. It's done. Now I need to enter the code from the application. Yes. Save your emergency codes as well. Now let's clear this one out. Wait, this is really important. If you are using SSH key, which you should actually use in real life scenarios, then the server might skip the 2FA login authentication. To stop this and force it to ask for the code as well as your SSH key code plus verification code from the app, then basically you need to do this one more change in the configuration file. So let's dig in and do that. Tell the server to actually use it. We need to edit 2 lines. I'm using Nano. Let's go and open it up, and now we need to add specific line. This all will be in my Medium page, so you will be able to get these commands and no need to type them. Now let's save it. Save and close it. Let's try to log in. SSH zone. I'm entering my key password. Now it asks for the verification code, and voila! We are in our server. So basically I typed the code from my phone to verify, and now I'm in the server. Let's try it again, but instead of just typing my code, let me type just random digits. Not right. See, if you don't type the correct code from your application, then you will not get in. So this method works, and this is the best way how to keep your SSH secure. So your server is now much safer. Even if a bad actor, hacker or someone else gets your password from your server, from your SSH key, then they cannot get into the server without your password, without your phone. Because your phone is your key, it's like additional lock for your server, and yeah, your server is like a bank vault. It's not easy accessible for anybody who wants to access. They basically need to go where your server is located, break in, deal with the security, and get physical access to your server to disable this two-factor authentication. So I suggest you to use it, to enable it on your servers. Do a backup as well if your phone dies or something happens to it, and keep your server secure. If this tutorial have helped you, please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe for more interesting this kind of type of tutorials. And of course, if you have any comments, any doubts or something else, just type it down in the comments and I will gladly answer to your questions. So thank you for watching, and I see you in the next one. Thanks, bye.